Hello guys, I'm Jelsi Kishi Makareg, and now I like to present to you PISOC Electric Technology. First, what is piezoelectric technology? Piezoelectric technology involves materials such as quartz or certain ceramics that generate an electric charge when subjected to mechanical stresses. This phenomenon, known as piezoelectric effect, enables the conversion of mechanical energy like vibration or pressure into electrical energy, and vice versa. Application range from everyday items like quartz, watch, and microphones to innovate uses such as energy harvesting floors and sidewalks, which generate electricity from footsteps by transforming kinetic energy into usable energy. Piezoelectric technology offers a sustainable, efficient solution for various industries, including computing, healthcare, and renewable energy systems. Piezoelectric technology generates electricity when mechanical thrust like pressure is applied to certain materials. Japan uses piezoelectric technology in innovative ways. One prominent example is the power generating floor at Tokyo Station. These specially designed tiles convert the energy from footstep into electricity, which is then used to power various facilities in the station. The impact of piezoelectric technology in the computing industry. Piezoelectric energy enhance sensor and actuators, providing more precise and efficient device. It powers small low-energy gadgets like wireless sensors and medical implants, reducing the need for transitional batteries for society. It enables sustainable energy solutions by converting everyday activities like walking or driving into electricity, promoting environmental sustainability and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Integrating piezoelectric materials into infrastructure, such as smart roads and buildings, can generate and store renewable energy. Improving overall energy efficiency, this technology benefits both technological and advancement in environmental preservation. Here are the piezotronics that can help our computing industry. For materials, flexible electronics, flexible screen, and for application, human computer interaction, and for sensors, personal health monitoring, pressure perception, haptics, and methodologies, environmental perception, electronic skins. If you like this video, you can help me by like, subscribe, and sharing this video. And thank you. Bye.